show you how to input the rings for young that have been recorded in a nest. So here is my nest record card. I've put in the details of the 2 visits I've done, and these 4 pulli that I ringed, I want to have their ring numbers kind of linked to this nest. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go pullis encounters. Because I am not using my own rings, I'm using Dave's rings. If I try and input them using this button here, input new pullis encounters and link, it's not going to work because I don't have those rings kind of allocated to me, and the BTO is going to say no. So what I have to do is click on the link to existing pullis encounters in another account, i.e. Dave's account. So click in here, type in Dave's permit number, like so, and make available. So this is basically my account saying I would like some rings allocated to this nest, please, to Dave's account. So close that. And then because I can't do anything really else on this account, I have to switch to Dave's account here. Okay, so then as Dave, I can then input my ringing data. So let's have a look. It is standard. Ring number is, should fill in. It is a great tit chick, a nestling. It asks me how many were ringed, how many were alive. Don't know really any of this information, but you can look at the visit date. The visit date and location and capture time all have to be the same for both the ringing data and the nest record card data, otherwise it won't let you match them up. So always make sure you're putting in the correct details. In fact, I'm just going to check quickly that is, yep, that's right. Capture time was that. Location, so Dave doesn't have the exact locations as I do on my account, but I can just put in a different location for now. Let's just go for that. Then put in the ringer initials, so this was me, C, and then save. So when I've inputted that, it's going to, it says that you're inputting pulli encounters. So what you can then do is just it'll want you to record the capture time for every single one, but you can just copy and paste these. Ring initials is me again. Save. Basically do that until all of them have been inputted. Then what you can do is say link to nest record in another account, and hopefully because you've made them available to the other account, you can add this one. Yeah, this is the one. So live pulli, I think this is what I did earlier. And you can say, yes, I would like to link these 2 together, and then that will link them together. So if we look at, Dave has to approve all of these before he before they kind of get submitted to the BTO. But if I look for, let's see, can I do WP? It will let me, yeah, here we go. So then it will come up. All of these rings here have been linked, all the same age, and the ring numbers are all in there. Just double check that the last one is the same as the last one that you've got on your, yep, ends in 47. So that is them now linked and for Dave to approve.